I'm so hungry. What could I eat today? I remember I just have a vending machine. Let's try it out. Yay! Yay! Woohoo! You're watching Princess Girl video. Please comment down below. Bye guys. Hi guys. Let's start this video. Yay guys! There's a vending machine. There's even a vending machine shine. And there's skippers. Vending machine, the coins, and the menu. Yeah! So you're supposed to press the menu to get what you want from the vending machine. And the coin has this, and it has the number. So you can use that to click the numbers. Let's turn it on. Beep. Gonna put my coin in. Yes. Oops, forgot. 6015. 60, 1 and 5. There we go. Now let's put the coin and press it. Then oh yeah, we have to press I want fudge bar. Look, it's already making. You can see it now. Is this going to work? Is it? Whoa, it's getting out. Whoa, amazing. This fudge bar is vanilla flavor, cream filled vanilla cake bar. Yum, it's my favorite. I don't know, still tape. This looks so good. Bye guys.